and delightful good morning to everyone present out here. Honorable Principal, respected lecturers, dear juniors, my mates, and all the fresh new faces. At the very outset, I would like to express my best compliment to you all on the occasion of the Freshers' Day today. You know that we all are assembled here to celebrate the Freshers' Day. I am privileged to stand before you to welcome all the junior friends. I must congratulate them all on their selecting the best college in the district. It is known fact that we have dynamic management, motivated lecturers and devoted professors. We are taught in a beautiful environment.
So please bear with us. Now moving on to the
respected Vice Principal Ma'am, Miss Pindula, out here.
Freshers is something that, welcoming newcomer.
And I'm from Namche, South Sikkim, and I'm studying here as a software development student. Thank you. Myself, Manisa Biswakama, and I'm from Anima Chitri, from pass out student from Government Senior Secondary School, Samur, and I'm from Tourism and Service Industry. Thank you.
My niece,
SC department from Martha Senior. I pass out from Martha Senior Secondary School from Martha.
Thanks, school soaring. And I study here in tourism department. Thank you.
Priyanka Sharma, I am from Park County, Sikkim. Thank you.
Jana Chetri from Tharpu, and my department is Tourism and Service Industry. Thank you.
And I am from Srivada. And thank you seniors for organizing this beautiful program for us. Thank you.
I am from software development. Thank you. So, teaching and all the staff, my seniors and my friends. My name is Tajnuddin Bhutia, and I completed my senior secondary school from KB Limbu Senior Secondary School, Shivadam, and I am from software development.
Thank you. Sherpa, and I am from Denham Bazaar. Thank you.
myself Savita Acharya from Tam, and I'm passed out from school, and I'm a tourism agency department.
Limbu from Lingchom, and I had completed my +2 from Lingchom Senior Secondary School. And thank you for this wonderful program. Thank you.
For authorities and teaching and non-teaching staff. My name is Arjun Mukhya from Chehung, and my department is Tourism and Service Industry. Thank you.
And I am doing here editing. Myself, Vilas Kurung from Chakung Senior Secondary School. I'm from.
Thank you so much, dear juniors, for giving an offer to introduce yourself in this stage.
अहिले मात्रै छ बाँकी याद समयले कोल्टे फेरि सबै कुरा बदलियो पहिले के हुन्थ्यो सबै कुरा बदलियो सधैँ छ कुरा थपियो म पनि बदले अनि त पनि बदलियो समयले कोल्टे फेरि सबै कुरा बदलियो पहिले के हुन्थ्यो सबै कुरा बदलियो सधैँ कुरा थपियो
Beauty doesn't only mean that physical, like you said, beauty.
Thank you for joining us.
मिठो
आज नि हामी पुरा थाकेको छौँ म के भन्नु चाहन्छु हामी पुरा थाकेको छ होइन कति बेसी काम गर्यो तर राम्रै भयो सबै
सुक्र तैँले पकाएको आलु सबै तैँले मिठो विजेता तैँले के गरेछ चिया पकाएको तैँले चिया मनिषाले मिलाएको हाम्रो सिङ्गर के पकाए पापड अश्विनी अनि कसले पकाएको तपाईँहरूले होइन
मेहनतले काम गर्ने चाहिँ रेशमी थियो यहाँ थियो यता पनि छ यिनीहरू झन् कस्तो डरलाग्दो रातभरि खटेको छ यहाँ यता पनि
रातभरि खटी खटी डान्स प्र्याक्टिस गर्नेहरू
भएको छ र यहाँ हाम्रो जीबीसी का कमिटी